चाचा से पूछते एक और रिक्शे वाले से कि कितना लेते हैं ये सदर तक। चाचा सदर जाने हैं कितना लेंगे? चाचा इज आस्किंग 150 रुपीज़, 150 मांग रहे हैं और नॉर्मली यही रेट है।
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Abdul and today we will talk about public transport in Karachi. It is a big shame that we don't have metro trains and metro buses in this mega city due to incompetent government of this city in this province, but luckily we can use all the international and local application for taxis like Uber, Careem. We have like application for buses which name is Swell and Airlift. We also have bikes which we can call using mobile application, and in traditional transport we have buses which are running all around the city and we can travel in that for very low cost. And we also have rickshaws, the three-wheel vehicle which we can also use to roam around in the city. So let's go on the ground and check how is the local transport in Karachi and how much that costs from one place to another.
So guys, right now I am here standing on University Road at Asana Square, and I am going to Sadr Empress Market, which is a very popular area. So I will be going to actually use different transport options in Karachi, and I will let you know what it costs. Actually, I have just checked on Google Map. From here, Asana Square to Empress Market, it is 7 kilometers, and right now it will take like 16 to 17 minutes according to the traffic jam. So I have checked the Careem. We have like Careem and Uber applications here. They will charge 300 rupees from Asana Square to Sadr Empress Market. So we will ask the the rickshaw rider here. We have so many rickshaws. We will ask them how much they cost from Asana Square to Empress Market. So we will ask them, it will cost like maybe 150 rupees if we go by rickshaw. But we also have the local transport which is called Mazda and coaches, which are very common in Karachi, and that will cost very less, like 10 to 15 or 20 rupees, which is equal to like 10 cents. So we will actually try all the options. We will first go to Sadr by using local transport, this Mazda or coach, and then we will take one rickshaw to another place. And so today our goal is to use all the public transport in Karachi.
Newton, Badurabad, El Faraj, Baloj, Mansoor, Kayumabad, Godam, Shamra, Bilal.
जी भाई, ये सदर जाना है, कितना है? एम्प्रेस मार्केट 200 कम नहीं होगा फाइनल। ओके, सो ही इज आस्किंग 200। यार सदर जाना है, कितना किराया लेंगे आप? कितना नहीं आप बताओ यार, कितना लोगे? 200। अच्छा। चाचा से पूछते एक और रिक्शे वाले से कि कितना लेते हैं ये सदर तक। चाचा सदर जाने हैं कितना लेंगे? 150। हाँ, चाचा इज आस्किंग 150 रुपीज़, 150 मांग रहे हैं और नॉर्मली यही रेट है। लेकिन चाचा का जो रिक्शा है ये वो वाला है अपना पेट्रोल वाला है, तो चाचा सही रेट मांग रहे हैं। 150 ये नॉर्मल ही रेट है।
जी यहाँ से हम आसन स्क्वायर से सदर जा रहे हैं और 25 रुपये टिकट है एक बंदे का, एक 1 पर्सन का। और अगर सीट मिले तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, अगर सीट नहीं मिले तो काफ़ी तकलीफ होती है भाई।
तकलीफ है क्योंकि वो ऊपर आप देख सकते हैं छत जो है नीचे है,
और-
तो अगर आपकी हाइट अगर ज़्यादा है तो फिर मसला होगा।
उनके लिए काफ़ी मसला है जिसकी हाइट।
जी जी जी। So guys, just got off this bus in Sadar after traveling for 7 kilometers, and it was a very hectic journey, I must say. But I did it. If you are looking for cheap transport in Karachi, then this bus is for you. Otherwise, we have these rickshaws. You can see right here, this one. This will cost like maybe 5 times more, but it is safe, it is convenient. And the bus one, when it is rush hour or crowd, then it's not easy to travel in that bus. So guys, we are going to another area in Karachi which is called Lighthouse. It is just 3 to 4 kilometers away from Sadar, but the taxi, the rickshaw guy is asking 200, but now we have agreed with this driver for 150. So the thing is, when you are using rickshaw in Karachi, you have to negotiate. So the thing is, when you are using rickshaw in Karachi, you have to negotiate. You have to ask 2 or 3 guys before sitting in and before giving them money. And actually, an estimation I can give you, like for 5 kilometers, you should have in mind like 150 to 200 rupees, which is like $1.5 US. So let's go to another area through this rickshaw. Hey guys, just came back home. It was a hectic day. Did so many things, but since this video is all about transportation in Karachi, I actually used one bus, 3 rickshaws, I think 4 rickshaws, 4 times today, and it all cost me 600 rupees. Like I went from Sana Square in Gulshan Iqbal to Sadar in Karachi for 25 rupees in that local bus. And then I used one rickshaw to Lighthouse and another one rickshaw to Lighthouse, in another rickshaw to Burns Road, and another rickshaw back to my house here. I also checked Kareem when I was coming back, so I thought to share with you the Kareem experience as well. But Kareem was costing me so much rupees, like double, because when sometimes there is a rush hour or there is a night time, then Kareem also increases their cost, you know, their fare. So when I checked in the evening, it was like 700 rupees, and normally it costs 300 to 400 rupees. So I had to again take the rickshaw, and I came back by taking the rickshaw for 300 rupees. So in total it cost me like 600 rupees today, which is equal to less than $4 US. And I explored like 3 to 4 places in Karachi. So if you want to go to more places, then obviously it will cost more. But one thing I forgot actually to mention in this video is the Kareem bike
the Uber bike, and also the Bikeya, which is an application working here in Karachi, that will save you a lot of money if you use bikes actually instead of cars and rickshaws. That will down the cost to half. Like if a Careem taxi is costing you 200 rupees, the bike will cost you just 100 rupees. Same as for Uber, and there is a specific application for bikes in Karachi, and that is called Bikeya. You can just download the application and just call the bike that will come to your place on your location. So this is one of the very cost-effective way to explore Karachi, and this will also save you from traffic jams, because sometimes in rush hours the traffic is jammed and roads are jammed, so it's not easy to get to your destination, but bikes will help. So I hope you like this video. Keep watching and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos, and I will see you with another video very soon. Bye.